First is the searching. Okay, let's talk about online search. Let's talk about advanced customized search, online databases, bookmarks, reference management, software, and researcher network. After searching, that is the time for references. And there are tools also for references, citation online tools, and then the managing citation tools. And then from searching, we'll go to the reference. And then let's proceed na. This is the part where we can review what we have written. And that is for tracking changes and adding comments. Okay, let's start first. Who among you here have not used have not used a search engine, or in particular google.com? For sure all of us, right? Parang, and this is now my screen. For sure familiar, right? Google.com. For sure, very, very familiar. Most of the time, when you research, say for example, I'm looking for a literature about digital technology. Most of the time, you will immediately go to google.com and then type digital technology. And then, especially if the topic is very popular, you would be given 5,780,000,000 results. You just imagine that. And research shows people will only go to the next up to the third. And who knows, that article doesn't have a so-called optimization value, no? Or the SEO, the search engine optimization, SEO. Ano yan, sir? No? An SEO is a strategy so that a content online will be provided when search will be provided on the top. Meaning kasama siya ibibigay siya on the top search result. Kasi meron siyang naka-incorporate na SEO. Paano i-incorporate si SEO? Program-based siya, computer programming siya. So for example, if a journal of Journal X, when they develop their online journal, and there is an SEO aspect in the program, then therefore the journal would be included in the first few pages. No? Pero kung si journal, hindi siya journal management system, ay hindi mo talaga makikita yan. Baka doon pa siya sa 100 pages. You just imagine, I'm looking for a topic, digital technology, and there are 5 billion results. Right? So it's difficult to find one, no? A very good one. So how to do with that? Instead of simply going here in the Google thing, all you have to do is go to the setting. The setting is fine at the lower right corner of your screen. Oh, for sure, din nyo na-notice to kasi wala siya sa gitna. No? So when you click settings, just like now, I'm clicking my settings, you will see advanced search. All right? Again, instead of immediately typing the digital technology here, go to your lower right corner of your screen in Google, and you will see settings. Okay, you will see settings there, and the setting, when you click settings, you can find advanced search. Okay, please do not be ashamed to say, sir, slowly please, I cannot find it. Sir, saan yun? No, please let me know. Okay, so I hope all of us are now in the advanced search. When you click advanced search, that will appear. This will appear on your screen. So all these words, and there are many specific fields that we wanted to filter, no, that we wish to filter in our searching. Say for example, I want to find digital technology, okay, I want the exact of this word digital technology, but do not provide me a paper or an article that contains the word Philippines because I'm looking for a foreign study. Okay, digital technology, but should not include the word Philippines. If that is only your requirement, then that's fine. You can actually, if you're done, you can click advanced search. And when it runs from 7 billion, it now turns to 32 million. Still many, right? It will not give you the best result of a literature. Okay? So anong gagawin? Go back to your search. Baka you need more, baka you need to narrow your result. Okay? Like provide a literature that is only coming from, let's say, um, let's say Malaysia, because Malaysia now is also increasing so much in terms of their citation and impact factor. Okay? And then the last update could be anytime, but let's just make sure not to cite a very old reference. So perhaps updated the past last year. And do not provide me only with the PDF. Okay, pag PDF usually naka-journal sila. Okay? And then filter. I usually use this because 'di ba sometimes when we search using the general search box, and then when we write may nailabas na result, happy tayo, tapos yun pala abstract lang kasi may payment, no? So frustrated tayo dyan. So, ang gagawin, but there are tips. Ako usually, pag may mga paper talaga na may bayad, I usually email the author and then ask the author, can you provide me? So far, of all authors that I emailed, siguro may mga tatlo lang hindi nag-reply. Siguro hindi na nabasa or what. But the rest, they responded and then they shared their article. Meron ding iba na I cannot share with you this time because this is still under agreement, but on the next few months you can access or I will email to you my paper. So things like that because of the so-called agreement provisions in the journal, especially if online. Okay? So you can use free to use, share or modify or even commercially. No? So free to use or share. And then click advance. Ayan. Oh, wala nang lumabas. No, example. So walang lumabas. So napaka ano na I will change that to not filtered and then search. Oops, sorry. And not anytime, but my region is Malaysia. LM. Okay. So take a look at this. So this is the result. And then all provided are in the let me change PDF. It should be PDF so that I can demonstrate to you advance. Okay. So all of these that were provided by Google are actually all in PDF format. Like when you click this one, then there is PDF. When you go back, click another result. This is PDF again, and then this one, and so on and so forth. Okay, I hope you were able to follow. So just go to google.com, then here is the settings, and then you have the advanced search here, and then you can do all the restrictions and the filters, no? We call this actually as filter, no? And if you are good actually into a search, sa programming kasi ang tawag nito is Boolean search, we'll just use mga minus, plus, but never mind, no? I will not teach you that thing. But the point is you can narrow down your search so that you will have a good time and you can maximize your time in searching your content using the advanced search. Question so far? Let me check. Sir, I cannot locate advanced search. Okay, you cannot locate. Go to google.com. Just like on my screen. Look at my mouse pointer. It goes here. Settings. And then advanced search. Let me know if not. Most probably you need to upgrade or update your Chrome browser. Okay. I'm not sure if you are familiar, especially if we are into online, you can actually use search by voice. Okay. You can actually click that one. Allow. Okay. You can actually click digital technology. Okay, you can use mic. It's actually speech to text. You can also use that one. Okay. So better if you will update your Google so that I mean your browser, your Chrome, so that you can see the advanced feature because this is really helpful. Okay, that's good. If no more further question aside from versions of Google, let me proceed.